All right, so I'm here with the new 2025 RAM RHO, and as you guys can see, this is far from stock. It's probably the most hooked up one, most customized RHO on the market. So first things first, you guys know that a lot of these trucks come with a lot of plastic. So typically, kind of like this, you'll see the entire fender flare all plastic. And on a truck so beautiful, we want to eliminate as much plastic as we can. So we had Gig Harbor Auto Body remove our plastic flares, sand them down, prime them, paint them, sand them again, paint them again. And that's what it takes to get rid of the kind of porous, bumpy texture that typically is all over these fender flares. Now they're nice and smooth, glossy, they match the paint on the truck, and now you have this nice cohesive, smooth look rather than paint, plastic, the truck really has a nicer flow. Also, we had Kimball's hands-on detailing and accessories in Gig Harbor remove the Ram emblems from the front of the door, and this combined with the removal of the plastic looking fender flares and the painted flares, now you have this nice flow all the way down the body line. All right, let's face it guys, most mud flaps are freaking hideous, but not these mud flaps from Rokblokz. These are definitely the best looking mud flaps on the market. They are available for the Ram TRX and they fit the RHO, as well as many other applications. They will help keep all the little pebbles and rocks from getting thrown down the truck, all the mud, all the sand, all the dirt. Definitely recommend these guys. So since this is going to be In-Gear Media's official camera truck, we're gonna have some pretty pricey items hiding in the bed. So we opted to install Rough Country's tri-fold tonneau cover. It's one of the best looking bed covers on the market. Also one of the lightest for how incredibly it's built. You can literally lay hundreds of pounds on top of it. It's waterproof and it can be removed in less than a minute. So lurking beneath the Rough Country tri-fold tonneau cover is our BuiltRight panel system. So essentially it's a bolt-in panel system that allows you to bolt on a number of accessories. We can have a shovel, an axe, a chainsaw, all kinds of things for off-roading, tow ropes, tie downs. I've got some tie downs in these optional bags that they provide. Pretty cool stuff. I've seen these with off-road jacks attached, right? Because we're running big tires. It's pretty tough to lift these trucks off-road if you do get stuck and blow a tire, especially in the sand dunes. So you can opt to have an off-road jack mounted to the side, have your handle up there, and you don't have things flying around your bed. Now what's cool about what we're gonna do, yes, this truck is gonna be off-roaded. I drive it on a daily basis, but it is going to be IGM's camera truck. So we can attach a lot of our camera accessories right to the bed sides and we don't have them flopping around in the bed. So thank you BuiltRight for making an incredible product that looks great and keeps us well organized. And as you guys can tell, our truck's sitting up a little higher. I mean, these are pretty tall from the factory, but we really needed steps. So we opted for the RealTruck electric steps. They've got beautiful LED lights. They're great to step on, easy to get in the truck. And best of all, once you get in the truck, you'll notice that we have some very nice floor mats. Now this truck stock came with rubber floor mats, and now we have these beautiful Luxe floor mats from Lloyd Mats. They're the highest end floor mat on the market. You can see that the color is a direct match to the factory carpet. It is not the blackest black. It's a little toned down, so they make the carpets perfect to match the factory mat or the factory carpet. And they actually did red stitching to match the red stitching on the seats, the red trim, and they are outlined in leather. They're actually just drop dead gorgeous and they really give you that cush. The only other vehicle I've gotten in with a floor mat that feels like that is a Rolls-Royce. So you might notice something a little different back here. We've got a very upgraded sound system. So these trucks, the RHO and the Ram TRX, come with a Harman Kardon system, which is upgraded from the base model Ram that comes with an Alpine system. It's okay for a truck system, but it's not that great. For everyday driving, I wanted something that truly was remarkable. So I looked no further than Kenwood North America, who provided us with Kenwood Exelon reference, 10-inch subwoofers, 1,000-watt amp, quite a few 6.5-inch components, and coaxials, which replaced the 6x9s that were in the door. And then overhead, we've got new 3.5-inch speakers, new tweeters up front. Everything's been replaced, and we have a new 5-channel amp that's going to be installed soon once we can get it to communicate with our stock factory Harman Kardon infotainment system, because this is the first aftermarket system installed in a RAM RHO. So we're still figuring things out, but I can tell you guys, this system sounds incredible. Let's give it a listen. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is no stock system, thank God. It sounds absolutely incredible, thanks to Kenwood North America and Xtreme Car Audio in Bremerton. I'll tell you what, I've had a lot of systems installed since I was 15 years old. And Xtreme Car Audio in Bremerton, they are the most professional company I've ever worked with. I mean, every little thing they did in this truck, you saw what they did on the speaker box, the RHO, all embossed in leather, the beautiful box design, flawless execution on every single little thing. They sent me photos along the way so I could see the progress. They had the truck all masked off, all taped off to protect it, so nothing happened while it was in the shop. I got it back in great condition, and check this out. They put the bass knob in the best spot possible. In fact, you wouldn't even be able to see this if you didn't know it was there. But if you want to adjust your bass on the subwoofer amp, you just reach over here just like this and adjust it. So it's not hanging down here like some sort of aftermarket accessory. It's cleanly installed right here next to the factory USBs, and you'd never know it wasn't factory. So I have to say a huge thank you to Kimball's Hands-On Detailing and Accessories in Gig Harbor. If you guys follow our channel, you know they do so much work on all of our vehicles, especially all of the upgrades on the RAM RHO. Speaking of Kimball's Hands-On Detailing and Accessories, you guys are not going to want to miss what we're doing to the paint on this truck. Factory, it's metallic black. We're changing it to piano black thanks to S-Tech's PPF called Dream. Not to mention, these bumpers are hitting the road thanks to Addictive Desert Designs. Their bumpers are actually on the way via FedEx freight to us right now, along with rigid lighting. We're going to have huge LEDs incorporated into ADD's bumpers up front, new skid plates. All this factory stuff is going bye-bye, and it's gonna look absolutely killer and definitely flow great with our 37-inch Toyo tires and everything else that we've done to this truck. Not to mention the bed rack that's coming soon, the tilt-a-hydra camera, and all of the suspension upgrades. Yeah, I said suspension, that are coming up next, but I know everybody wants to know, what are you doing with the exhaust? Guys, it's on the way. We'll have it installed on the truck in a couple of weeks. We're gonna get our truck filmed, get the sound bites up, and we're gonna go out and we're gonna beat the crap out of this thing and let you hear it rip. Let us know what you think. Let us know what else you wanna see. Thanks again for watching IGM Auto.